If you're looking for authentication and authorization software, today I have just the video for you. We're going to have a look at Keycloak. We're also going to have a look at JWT and see how they stack up and what they can actually offer you. Let's have a look at Keycloak now. So Keycloak is an open source IAM for modern applications and services. It offers SSO, user federation, and social login capabilities, and it works with LDAP, Active Directories, and third-party IDPs. Keycloak also features protocol support. So it has protocol standards, it's got authorization controls and administration capabilities. So it's got comprehensive admin consoles, it features user management tools and realm configuration. Keycloak also offers extensibility and security. So you get custom plugins and extensions for specific requirements. It has encrypted storage with advanced session management, and it's clustering support, which gives you a high availability deployment. So JSON Web Tokens, that's what we're jumping into now. It's the backbone of modern authentication and authorization. It's revolutionizing how applications handle authentication and authorization in more modern web architectures. This compact, standardized format allows secure information exchange while still maintaining performance and scalability across distributed systems. So, what is JWT exactly? So first of all, it is a compact URL-safe token format that securely transmits claims between parties as a JSON object. These tokens are digitally signed using a secret key or a public-private key pair, ensuring that data integrity and authenticity. It's unlike traditional session-based authentications. It enables stateless authentication without exposing passwords or requiring database lookups for every single request, making it more ideal for modern distributed systems. There are three separated parts, which is their header, the payload, and signature, which is a great structure. Some of its use cases is API security, single sign-on, mobile authentication, and federated identity. Some of their benefits include stateless operations, cross-domain compatibility, and reduced database load. Their authentication workflow includes their authentication. First of all, as a user, you can submit credentials to identify providers. Upon successful verification, IDP generates and signs a JWT containing claims like user ID, permissions, and expiration times. It also has token transmissions. So your client stores JWT and it includes it in the authentication header with each API request. And it has backend which validates token signatures using secret key or public keys. It checks expiration times and other claims, and then authorizes the request without querying a database. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there we go. A head-to-head comparison of some of the best software in the industry. If this video was enjoyable, drop us a like to show your support, and we'll see you next time.